I'm so excited to share this recipe with you today. Today we're going to be making Mason Jar Sushi. These are 4 ounce or 125 ml mason jars. So the rice doesn't stick, and for flavor, I'm going to brush the insides of the jar with sesame oil. I cooked half a cup of sushi rice in my rice cooker with half a tablespoon each salt and sugar. Once the rice was cooked, I just added half a teaspoon of rice vinegar and half a teaspoon of black sesame seeds. Add a tablespoon of the rice to each jar and pack it down. Now I'm going to add some unagi sauce for flavor. Add a little bit of the light soya sauce. And now I'm going to add some strips of nori. This is basically just seaweed that I cut into strips. I'm going to top this with avocado. I've sliced about 1.5 avocado. This is approximately 3/4 of a cup, and I just added thin slices. I'm also going to add thinly sliced cucumbers. This is about 3/4 of a cup as well. I've cut these cucumbers thin and in half so it's easy to eat. To switch this up, I'm going to add some pre-cooked and sliced shrimp to 4 of my jars. This is roughly about 4 to 5 shrimp. I boiled it and then I simply slit it in half. I'm also going to add pieces of smoked salmon to the other 4 jars. This is roughly about half a cup. In the next 4 jars, I'm going to add pieces of crab sticks. This is imitation crab, and this is approximately half a cup as well. I'm going to season this with soy sauce. I'm going to add some wasabi mayo to my crab stick mason jars. I'm going to add sriracha mayo to the smoked salmon mason jars. And I'm going to add sriracha over the shrimp mason jars for that extra kick. I'm going to top with some Kewpie mayonnaise, seaweed strips, sushi seasoning, and finally I'm going to top with some tobiko or flying fish roe. You can customize this any way that you like. You can add a little bit more or a little bit less according to your preference. This is such a great party appetizer. The sushi tends to get hard if it's refrigerated, so make sure to cook the rice within hours of serving. Tuck in and enjoy.